welcome to part 41 of Laravel 10 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce admin panel now. Okay, so we are working on the categories module, and in last video we have able to add the category level. So in this video we are going to work on the edit category functionality. Okay, so let's start. And here first of all we are going to add the edit icon. Okay, for editing the category we are going to add the edit icon. So we are going to modify this in categories.blade.php file. Here we are going to add the edit icon. Okay, so after status we can add here the edit icon. I'm going to open the CMS pages where we are already having the edit icon. Why to make work hard for this one? We are already having that edit icon here. Okay, we will work on these accesses later on. Okay, but right now we are going to make this edit icon. So I'm going to add this one. After this I'm going to add here, and here instead of this one I'm going to use here add edit category. Okay, and here also I'm going to use this category. We are using this array category. Okay, like this. So now I am going to click on edit. Like in the last video we able to add this shirts. Now if in case I want to edit this one, I can click on edit, and here you can see the category ID is going. Okay, and the difference is that if you will add the category, this ID will not go, and if you will edit the category, then this category ID will go, by which we can able to fetch the category details. Okay, so now see, no details is coming right now, but we are going to make it work. We are going to add the details here one by one. We are going to show all the details. Okay, so here first of all we are going to show the category name, but before that one more thing we need to make sure that here we have added edit. For edit, this one I'm going to copy this one, and here in case of edit we are going to find, we're going to use here category and then the find. Okay, we're going to use the category, then find, that will help us to find the particular category ID with it will work with the ID like this. Okay, so edit category, and here also we are going to modify category updated successfully. Okay, so we will also debug it later on. Okay, only this thing is required, and now comes back to here, and here we are going to show all the categories. Okay, that we are going to fetch, we are going to show here as well, and here we will add the condition as well. Okay, so here first of all we are going to add here the condition, like the if the category is having any details. Okay, and if it is having any details, then we are going to show like category. We need to see that what we are returning here, we are not returning, so we need to return the category details as well that we are fetching here. So we need to return this, here I'm going to return this category. Okay, so now this category name, if in case the category name is coming. Okay, so if there is value, if this variable is coming, if it is not empty, I'm going to use here, if it is not empty, if there is some value inside this. Okay, then I am going to show its value. Okay, I'm going to then I'm going to show its value. Okay, here I'm going to show its value, this one, total category name. Okay, and we're going to show it like this, and else, and here, and if. Okay, so now I'm going to check here that whether the category name that we have added last time, now it is coming. You can see it is coming fine. Okay, so we will work on this category level later on, but first of all we are going to work on these test fields that are very simple. So here also we are going to have this category, sorry, this is the category made. This one also we are going to work on later on. And now see, this one is the category discount value. So here the category discount will come up here. Okay, we are going to have it like this, and I'm going to copy this one once again, and we'll use for the category URL as well. Okay, so here we are going to have the URL in all these cases, and here I'm going to copy this one once again. Okay, we'll use for all these as well. Okay, here also I'm going to use, but let's do it later on. Here value, here also I'm going to modify. So if if there is record for this one, all this, then we are going to show like for meta keywords. I'm going to check here and we'll show if there is meta keywords is already exist in table. If meta description is already exist, then I'm going to show meta description, otherwise we will show the old value. If meta title already exists, then we're going to show the meta title, otherwise the old value. Okay, and now here also we are going to do the same thing. I think it will work here as well. If there is description, then we're going to show this description, but here we are not going to show the value here like this. Okay, and also here we will not show it like this, we will not show the value here. It will be like this. Okay, so if there is description, then we are going to show the description like this. Okay, and now we are going to check once and we'll see category name is coming, category discount is coming, category URL is coming. We have not added any information for this one, so it's not coming, otherwise it will surely come. Okay, so now we are left with the category level as well as the category image. Okay, for the category image we are going to show and we'll give the delete option, but that thing we are going to do in the next video. But here we are going to show the category level. Okay, so that is more important. I'm going to show here the category level so that we can update the category level. So here this one, so we need to make sure that we can able to update the category level. If any time the admin wants to update the level, then he can able to update. So first of all, this main category level we are going to add here. The main category level, if not empty, okay, dollar category parent ID. Okay, so here selected, we are going to see if the parent ID, then I'm going to select like this, and if if the parent ID is not empty, okay, if sorry, if it is empty, not empty, not if it is empty, see, okay, then we are going to select this one. Okay, I think this also not correct. We need to make it like if it is equal to 0. Okay, if category parent ID is equal to 0, then we are going to select. Okay, no, now it is select because its value is 0. If it is 0, then we are going to select this one. Okay, so let's come to here. So here also first condition we are going to add here. Okay, at this place here we are going to check like if the parent ID of the category is coming and if it is matching with this ID. Okay, so let's add if is set this I'm going to add dollar category parent ID. Okay, so here we are going to add here dollar category parent ID. If it exists, okay, it means that if there is some value in it. Okay, so we are going to add here if set close like this, and if this parent ID is equal to dollar cat ID, this one. Okay, we will close this one, then we are going to give here selected. Okay, then and if like this. Okay, so let's see it will work or not, I'm not sure. So see, okay, so it is not showing anything, no issue. We are going to add this one, sorry, not here, up till here, and if here also we're going to show it here. Okay, and in this case I'm going to take the subcat here. Okay, and now we're going to refresh here and we'll see now it is selecting the men. See, it is working fine. We able to show the men here. So in case of shirts we able to show the men. It will always show the upper category under which it is located. Okay, category level. So we can also see, we can also add it like parent category. Okay, parent category is which one, like this, so that it will be more clear. Okay, so now see, parent category shirts, parent category is men, so we able to show the men here. Okay, so now if in case I'm going to select here the men itself, like this one, I'm going to click on edit of men, then it will show the clothing. So now the men's parent category is clothing, so it is showing the clothing. Now this time I'm going to select the parent category clothing itself. Okay, so now this time it will select the main category because it is the main category. Okay, so clothing, this time now it is selecting the main category because clothing is the main category, so it is working fine. See, for clothing main category is coming, for electronics also main category is coming. Okay, for appliances also main category will come. Okay, you can see, and for men clothing will come. Okay, clothing parent category is clothing, so that's why clothing is coming. And for women clothing is coming because parent category is clothing, so it's working fine. So like this, if we will select the t-shirts, for t-shirts men will come because the parent category is men. Here you can see the men is coming, and for the shirts as well the men will come because the parent category is men for the shirts as well. Okay, you can see the parent category men is coming. Okay, so now it's fine. And also this level, suppose in case if there is any subcategory, then I think that is the last one because we are not required anytime t-shirt because this level we have not added. So the last level is the this one that we will select as the parent category. Okay, so let's update this time. So suppose now I want to put the shirts under women. Suppose I want to put the shirts under the woman category, like this. And I want to update the discount as well. I will make it 20, and will update the URL as well. Women shirts, I'm going to make it like the women shirts, and will add the description as well, women shirts, like this, so that I can check that all these things are working fine. Okay, description, women shirts are available. Okay, anything we can write. Okay, keyword women shirts as well, like this. Okay, so now I'm going to click on submit, and we'll see that if we will be able to make the change in this one. And you can see the category level for this parent category of the shirt is now women. Okay, so now men is only having one t-shirts as the subcategory, and one we able to move under the women, so it is working fine. Okay, you can see that it is working fine, and all the other changes we able to make. Women shirts are available, women shirts, and see, discount updated to 20. So everything is working fine. And here also we will add here the women shirt to just verify that the name also we can able to update. Okay, so here in case of URL. Okay, so yeah, one more thing we need to update here, that in case of edit URL will not work. So we need to add the condition here, if id is equal to empty, then only this rule will work. Otherwise we will use the different rule. Like if it is empty, then it's fine, this rule will surely work. And if it is not empty, then we will not use this rule, we will use the some other rule. Okay, and here we are going to add some other rule. Okay, so here I am going to use here required, but will not use this one, so that we can able to edit it as well. So now I'm going to will try to modify this one. I will make it women shirts now, and we'll see that if we will make the change. Yes, this time we able to make it women shirts, so it's working fine now. Okay, so now we can able to edit the category as well, and we can able to edit the category levels as well. Okay, that is most complex. Also we can able to add the images. I think that earlier on also we able to add the images. I'm going to check here, public front images categories. Okay, and here I'm going to check the path under which I'm adding the images. Here I'm going to open this one. I'm going to try to modify the image as well. Okay, fine. This time I'm going to add some image here, if I am having some image here of some t-shirt or something, so that we can able to update that, and we'll check that whether we can able to like this one. I'm going to update like submit. Okay, so now I'm going to check here that whether we have, see, we able to add it, so it's working fine. And it will record will also go to the database. Here you can see the it has been assigned. So this time if I want to update, I just want to make sure that we can able to update as well. In the next video we will show it and we'll work on its delete functionality as well, but right now just I want to make sure that we can able to update it as per our own requirement. Like if I want to update it to some other image, this one, then the update must go. See, one more image must get added. See, we able to add this one, and now this time 7463, this one now must be updated to 7463, so it's up working fine. So we can able to update the images as well. But in the next video we are going to show the images with the delete option, so that we can able to delete those images, we can able to see those images, and we can able to delete them as well. And also we are going to work on accesses, we are going to work on roles and permission for the categories, so that we can give their privilege to the subadmin can able to work on its add and edit functionality. Okay, so that thing also we're going to work on very soon. So one thing I want to tell you, now the admin panel source code is available. You just require to join the channel. Okay, you can always open the channel, this youtube.com stack developer. You can always open this channel and you can join the channel, so that you can able to download it. Okay, you can able to download it. See here, the you can open the sidemakers.in, all the website code. You can click on the download and you can check the all the website code is available to download here. Okay, you can see download basic admin panel in Laravel 10, download multi-vendor e-commerce website, download so advanced e-commerce website. So all the code is available to download here. Okay, download basic admin panel in Laravel 10. So this admin panel you can able to download after becoming the member. Okay, you can just join the member and can able to download the source code, complete source code along with complete support. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time.